to REKHA'S RASOI. Here's every change flavors. These days we all are trying to go green with our diets, and I'm sure the okra, the bhindi or the lady's finger is one of the most frequently used vegetable in your homes. And in case you've got bored with the good old bhindi sabzi, I've got an interesting recipe for you today. It's a soothing combination of curds and bhindi. Caught your attention, isn't it? And since curds aids in digestion and is an immunity booster, a double bonanza on that. So come join me in my rasoi. I've taken 250 grams of bhindi. These are washed and dried well. Now we'll start cutting our bhindis. Now I'll show you how we have to cut the lady's finger. First we'll cut the head and the tail, as I call it. This is the head and this is the tail. And we'll cut it into 8 pieces. Cut it in the middle. And this will be 4 pieces. Again cut it to the middle. Like this. We have our lady's fingers of bhindi sliced and ready to be cooked. I've taken 2 cups of curds. And now we'll whisk it. Now we'll keep this aside and get ready for tempering this. Let's get the oil heated for tempering. In goes the mustard seeds. Let it splutter. In goes the cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, a little bit of hing, asafoetida and green chilies. And half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We off the gas. Now we'll put all this into the curds. Give it all a mix. We'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt according to your preference. And coriander leaves. Now we'll keep this aside and start frying our lady's fingers. Our bhindis are fried. Now we'll take it off. Now it's time for the bhindis to meet the curds. Now we'll put We'll mix it well with the curds. Now let's garnish it with, of course, the coriander leaves. Our yummy, delicious bhindi raita is ready. So folks, do try this at home. And as usual, like, share, subscribe to my channel, REKHA'S RASOI. Until we meet again with another recipe. Bye-bye.